Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Okta Verify for Workplace MFA enrollment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to your workplace email and a mobile device. Start by checking your email for an invitation to enroll in multi-factor authentication, or MFA. Open the email and click on the enrollment link provided. This will redirect you to the Okta login page. Enter your workplace username and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, locate the Setup option for Okta Verify. Select the Setup button to initiate the installation process. Next, open the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Okta Verify and press Enter. Find the Okta Verify app, click on the Install or Get button to download the application. Once the app has finished downloading, open Okta Verify. You will see a prompt asking you to add an account. Tap on Add Account to proceed. Back on your computer, a QR code will be displayed on the Okta page. Using the Okta Verify app, scan the QR code shown on your computer screen. Once the QR code is successfully scanned, your account will be added to the app. You may be prompted to enter a verification code from the app. Switch back to Okta Verify and note the code displayed. Enter this verification code into the designated field on your computer. Finally, click Verify to complete the enrollment process. You have successfully installed Okta Verify and can now use it for MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.